Hi, that means now I am going with what is called database. Okay, it is a mysql database. How can we fetch the data from the database? This is the select star from users. I am saving everything. Okay, select star from users means selecting the data. What is the columns? All columns from which table? Users table. That is the thing. Okay, second one. Instead of writing a command, I will show what is happening. Then you can understand. Okay, I will give name and email name @gmail.com. Okay, so can give like that. This is the insert into users id comma name comma provider id, everything the column required and values. If we not give, null. Otherwise we can go with whatever the columns required. Now we will update the data into the users table. Name @gmail.com. Update the set email equal to gmail. That means simply whatever the changed values only it is taken. Otherwise we can ignore everything. Why we have to place everything unnecessary? Okay. Now in CRUD operations, three things are work: create, edit, update. Now delete. So delete means okay, the column is created. So I will go with what it is called. We have a command. We have a okay to delete from users. Where is it? Okay, select. Okay, select means getting the select the table. Okay, from means where the table name, which columns, star or all, or selected columns. So select is insert. What is the table name? Insert into users table. Row name, column name, id comma this is the column name. This is the data. Update users. Okay, update users. What is that column name? Set name equal to what we go name. Where, that means where we have to update user dot id is equal to 1. So this is the simple and explanation of database. Okay, now what I will go with, what is called simply I will connect to database from what is called PHP connect to database with mysql or PDO. I will prefer now is mysql. For exam server there is no password, that is the reason. Can give the password but it is not a issue. So we connected to database, we will check that. Connected successfully. So what it is simply, that means we are giving server name, username, password. Okay, mysql connect, this is a function to connect to database. So if it is connected, we will go with connected successful, otherwise die the with connection not connected, the connection error. What is the error? Okay, we will give some random password, so we will check that what is happening. Okay, it is localhost page is not working like that, it will show some random errors. After your work is over, you have to close the connection, otherwise it will it is what is called. Okay, now create the database. Create database. Name is db underscore php underscore try. If connected, show message success. Otherwise, throw error. Database created successfully. We will check that is a database created or not. Database name, mydb. Okay, we will go to the disable. Okay, there is no columns in there. We created the db. Next, we will insert the created table. Create db. Create we created already the what is called a database table. So now we will create the table. We are connecting to the table whatever we created. So we will write the command called table, create a table, and my guest table. In that we will create a column name, id, first name, email, registration date, like that we will give it. Okay, now we are moving to create table. Okay, database table created successfully. Now we move, so db is created successfully. Instead of writing db.php, sorry, we will go with a small case. Okay, it is inserted or not, we will check that. Page is not working. Okay, new record created successfully, and simply that means we connected to this db, and after that we are calling this page file name, and if the file is there, and it will going to next page. Insert into database name with the columns and data, and if it is a try true, new record created, otherwise throw error. Now what we created, new record created successfully, and we will go with another get the last insert id. Okay, now value for insert single use query. If it is connected is true, true, otherwise false. Your records created successfully. Okay, John Mary. Okay, now we inserted. Now we will fetch the data from database. Simply, how can we write it? We will write the SQL query in a string in double quotes, and we will pass this query. Okay, what is select the data from my guest table. We are executing the query, and if it is greater than number of, that means we have so many rows. We will go with condition. That means till the data is there, we will write that. Otherwise, zero results. Okay, like that. Okay, now we will go with the order by. Okay, last name order by. That means it is ascending order in order by in last name. Add you seen select table name where order by. This is a format. Delete data is seen, update data I will store. Everything is same in like insert. Okay, everything is same update, but changes the syntax of the update my cast. This is the database connections. Mostly used commands update, insert, and what is called update, insert, select, delete, and create table, create database. That's the thing mostly we are using. We can write conditions also at complex queries.